Hello students, today we will discuss last method to find the integration. The name of method is integration by partial fraction. Now first we see the rational functions. If f of x and g of x are polynomials in terms of x, then f of x divided by g of x is called a rational algebraic function, which is called as the rational algebraic function. That means if the example consists quotient of two polynomial, then which is called as the rational algebraic function. Such a type of problem solved by using these methods. Now again, this rational algebraic function are two types. First is proper rational function. Here the degree of f of x is less than degree of g of x. If degree of f of x is less than degree of g of x, then which is called as the proper rational function. We solve such a type of rationalization function in integration by partial fraction. Second is improper rational function. Now this improper rational function means if degree of f of x is greater than degree of g of x. That means this improper function is converted first proper function by taking quotient, such as we get quotient plus remainder divided by g of x. Now if this function is improper, that means the degree of f of x is greater than degree of g of x, then take quotient of f of x divided by g of x is equal to quotient plus remainder divided by g of x. We take two examples. First example is integration of 2x plus 5 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6 dx. Here degree of g of x is 1 and degree of f of x is 1, degree of g of x is 2, then which is called as the proper function, proper rational function. And take second example, integration of x cube minus 4 x square plus 5x plus 6 divided by x square minus 4x plus 5 dx. Now here the degree of numerator, that is f of x, is greater to denominator, then which is called as the improper rational function. Now this improper rational function can be converted, take LCM, that is x cube minus 4x square plus 5x plus, take not LCM, take quotient, and x square minus 4x plus 5 and reduce this in this form quotient, that is quotient here, quotient remainder, then this function is equal to quotient is equal to quotient plus remainder divided by g of x. G of x means this, and then take integration. This integration is we get directly, and again we apply the integration by partial fraction to the second part. It is I1 and that is I2. I1 is we get a polynomial in terms of x. Suppose we get x plus 3x plus 5. We take its integration directly, and then here we get some linear equation. Suppose twice x plus 5 divided by x square minus 4x plus 5. Then we apply the integration by partial fraction. Now there are four types of integral in partial fraction. First is px plus q divided by x square plus ax square plus bx plus c dx. Linear equation divided by quadratic equation. This quadratic equation having two factors, therefore partially a divided by x minus a. Suppose x minus a and x minus b are the factor, b divided by x minus b. Here the integration of px plus q divided by two factor x minus a, x minus b. Then we write a divided by x minus a plus b divided by x minus b. We can find only a and b, then we take integration, which is called as the rationalization. And then partially fraction. This method is called as the partially fraction. This quadratic quotient of two polynomial is divided into two parts such that a divided by some factor plus b divided by some factor. Second, in equation second, ax square plus bx plus c, which is a quadratic equation, but denominator x minus a, x minus b, x minus c. There are three factors. Then we write a divided by x minus a plus b divided by x minus c plus c divided by x minus b and x minus c. We can find only a, b, c. That means this quotient is expressed in, this is the combination a divided by first factor, b divided by second factor, c divided by third factor, and on integrating we get its integration. Third is integration of ax square plus bx plus c, which is the quadratic equation of some constant or linear equation. Numerator always not a quadratic equation. Px plus q or constant or quadratic equation, but the degree of numerator is always less than denominator. Then we partially factorize. X minus a bracket square x minus b. Now here there are three factors, but one factor is repeated. These two are real factor but not repeated. These three, these two. Here one factor is repeated. Then we take a divided by x minus a plus b divided by again x minus a bracket square and last c divided by x minus b. If one factor is repeated, then we take a divided by this x minus a first plus b divided by x minus repeated factor plus c divided by remaining x minus b factor. And fourth type is ax square plus bx plus c divided by x minus a into px square plus qx plus c dx. Here numerator is constant. There are three possibilities: constant, linear equation, or quadratic equation. Its degree is less than denominator. And denominator consists one factor and one quadratic equation. This quadratic equation does not factorize. Is such a type of integral we apply a divided by x minus a plus bx plus c linear equation divided by this quadratic equation is px square plus q plus c. In last type, the denominator consists again quadratic equation, but this quadratic equation does not factorize. One factor and quadratic equation, then a divided by this factor plus bx plus c divided by quadratic equation. Then this part is solved, not partial fraction, by solve the first method f dash of x divided by f of x. Derivative of denominator is converted into numerator. We have to see the first method, 1 divided by quadratic equation, convert into special part f dash of x divided by f of x. That means there are four types of example. Also, sometimes in this example consists some substitution. Then first substitution, x square is equal to t, or x sin theta is equal to t. Then we get this form out of this four form, any one form, and we get again integration by partial fraction. Now in this article there is no theoretical part, only understanding how to express the given problem in partial fraction. That first is a divided by first factor, b divided by second factor. Second is a divided by first factor, b divided by second factor, c divided by third factor. Third is repeated factor, then b divided by this repeated factor. A is, we take only one factor out of this remaining factor. And last is one factor and one quadratic equation non-factorized, then apply this formula. Now we take example on this article. First example is 2x divided by 4 minus 3x minus x square. Now which is the improper rational function, because the degree in numerator is 1 and degree in denominator is 2. First we write this integral in standard form, that is 2x divided by, take minus common, minus x square minus x square, then plus 3x minus 4 dx. That is integration of minus 2x divided by x square plus 3x minus 4. Now observe this denominator. The denominator is factorized. Factorize for such that its sum is plus 3 and product is minus 1. That is minus 4 and plus 1. Its sum is, plus 4 and minus 1. Its sum is 3 and product is minus 4. Then factorize this, minus 2x divided by x square plus 4x minus x minus 4 dx is equal to integration of minus 2x divided by, take x common, x bracket, x plus 4 minus 1 common, x plus 4 dx is equal to minus, take to common, or minus 2x divided by x plus 4 into x minus 1. Now we get first form, that is first form is linear equation divided by two brackets, that is two factors, x minus a and x minus b. That means express this in this form, which is the most important part, to express numerator, that is minus 2x divided by x plus 4 into x minus 1 is equal to a divided by x plus 4 plus b divided by x minus 1. Now in this type, only to find the value of a and b is the most important, because if you find a, then its answer is a into log of integration is a into log of x plus 4 plus b into log of x minus 1. How to find a and b? This method is called as the partially fraction methods. Then find value of a and b such a way: minus 2x divided by x plus 4 x minus 1 is equal to a bracket x minus 1 plus b bracket x plus 4 divided by x plus 4 and x minus 1. These are cancelled. Only minus 2x is equal to a bracket x minus 1 plus b bracket x plus 4. Always denominator on both sides are cancelled. Only numerator a into denominator of b, b into denominator of a, and by taking the value of x such that to find a and b, first if you want to value of a, then reduce the coefficient of b 0, put x is equal to minus 4, then this bracket is 0, 0 into b is 0. Minus 2 into x is equal to minus 4, that is minus 4 is equal to a bracket minus 2 minus 1 plus b into 0, that is 8 minus 3a plus 0. Therefore a is equal to minus 8 by a is equal to minus, x is equal to minus 4, minus 2 nahi, minus 4. Therefore minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. A is equal to minus 8 divided by 5, minus 8 divided by 5, which is the value of a. First constant we can find in this way. काय केलं आपण पाहिलं, बीचा कोएफिशियंट 0 मिळवण्यासाठी एक्सची किंमत मायनस 4 घ्यावी लागते. ती किंमत दोन्हीकडे ठेवली. ती किंमत ठेवल्यानंतर आपल्याला एची किंमत जी आहे ती मायनस 8/5 मिळाली. आता एची किंमत मिळवली, बीची किंमत मिळवताना एचा कोएफिशियंट 0 मिळवायचा आहे. हा 0 मिळवण्यासाठी काय करावं लागेल, पुट x इज इक्वल टू 1 ऑन बोथ साइड. minus 2 1 is equal to a bracket 1 minus 1 0 plus b 1 plus 4 is 5, then minus 2 minus 2, we have to substitute value of, put x is equal to 1 minus 2, correct, a 1 minus 1 0, b bracket x plus 1, correct, minus 2 is equal to a minus a into a 1 minus 1 is 0 plus 4 plus 1 is 5b b is equal to minus 2 by 5. The value of b is equal to minus 2 by 5. Now this equation can be reduced. First equation can be reduced. Integration of a divided by first bracket is, or we write here, integration of a divided by x plus 4 plus b divided by x minus 1. Suppose we write this equation and substitute these values in required equation, then we get the solution. Integration I is equal to integration of a divided by x plus 1 plus b divided by x plus 4 dx is required equation. This equation can be right a divided by x plus a divided by x plus 4 and b is, now we cancel this. Integration I is equal to integration of minus 2x divided by 4 minus 3x minus x square is equal to integration of a divided by x plus 4 plus b divided by x minus 1 dx. Now this equation is reduced in this form. Then integration of, substitute value of a is equal to minus 8 by 5 divided by x plus 4 plus b is minus 2 by 5 divided by x minus 1 whole integration. Alright, separate integration. Minus 8 by 5 is constant. Integration of 1 divided by x plus 4 dx minus 2 by 5 constant. Integration of 1 divided by x minus 1 dx is equal to minus 8 divided by 5 into log of x plus 4. Coefficient of x is 1. Then we cannot divide the coefficient of x because its value is 1. Minus 2 by 5 into log of x minus 1 plus constant c is the final answer. We can find again constant minus 1 by 5. Then write log of 8 log of x plus 4 minus 2 log of x minus 1 plus c. Again take 2 common, minus 2 by 5 bracket 4 log of we take minus common, therefore its sign is plus, x plus 4 plus log of x minus 1 plus constant c is equal to minus 2 by 5 into log of x plus 4 raised to 4 into x minus 1. Apply the rule of logarithm. But in this step our answer is correct. We solve or does not solve. The next part which is the modified part. In this way we find its solution. Today we will discuss second type of example. Is a very lengthy or complicated example because this function is a not proper algebraic, non proper rational algebraic function. First we take this function is converted into proper rational function 6x cube plus 5x square minus 7, and denominator is 3x square minus 4x minus 1. Now take coefficient of x cube is 6. Here coefficient of x square is 3. Multiplying by 2x, then we get 6x cube. 6x cube minus 2 minus 4 x square minus 2x. Take its subtraction 0 plus plus. Then we get 5 plus 4x square is 9x square, and plus 2x minus 7. Now again eliminate this x square. Multiplying 3 by 3 is 9. 3 9 x square minus 6x minus 3. Subtraction 9 minus 9 0 plus 8x, and here plus, it is minus 4. That means this f of x divided by g of x is equal to quotient plus remainder divided by g of x. Now here quotient is 2x plus 3 plus 8x minus 4 whole divided by g of x is 3x square minus 2x minus 1. That means required integration I is equal to 6x cube plus 5x square minus 7 divided by 3x square minus 2x minus 1 dx is equal to integration of first part is 2x plus 3 dx plus integration of 8x minus 4 divided by 3x square minus 2x minus 1 dx. Now is equal to I1 plus I2. Then first find integration of I1. I1 is equal to integration of 2x plus 3 dx is equal to 2x cube 2x square divided by 2 plus 3x plus c1 is equal to 2 to cancel, x square plus 3x plus c1. Now we write equation second, we write here equation first, which is the find first integration I1. It is a very simple, we get quadratic equation or linear equation or cubic equation. Then second part is again linear equation divided by quadratic equation. That means this quadratic equation is factorized. Then we apply the integral by partial fraction. Now we write second part I2. I2 is equal to numerator 8x minus 4 divided by g of x is 3x square minus 2x minus 1 dx is equal to 8x minus 4 divided by, factorize this quadratic equation, 3 into minus 1, 3 into minus 1 is equal to minus 3. Factorize this minus 3 such that its sum is minus 2 and product is minus 3. That is minus 3 into plus 1, sum is minus 2, product is minus 3. 3x square minus 3x plus x plus 1 dx is equal to 8x minus 4 divided by, take 3x common, 3x bracket x minus 1 here, minus 1 not plus 1, plus 1 x minus 1 dx is equal to integration of 8x minus 4 divided by, first bracket we write first factor 3x plus 1, second bracket x minus 1 dx. Now consider 8x minus 4 divided by 3x plus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to a divided by first factor 3x plus 1 plus b divided by x minus 1. We write directly numerator only because denominator is cancelled. 8x minus 4 is equal to a into x minus 1 plus b into 3x plus 1. Now again we find value of a and b. First eliminate b, coefficient of b is converted into 0. If we substitute value of x is equal to minus 1 by 3, then this bracket we get 0. Put x is equal to minus 1 by 3, 8 into minus 1 by 3 minus 4 is equal to a bracket minus 1 by 3 minus 1 plus b into 0 minus 8 by 3 minus 4 is equal to 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 minus 4 by 3 a plus 0. The sum of left hand side is, sign is same, therefore it takes sum. 3 into 4 is 12. 12 minus 12 and minus 8 minus 20 divided by 3 is equal to minus 4 by 3 into a. Therefore a is equal to minus 20 divided by 3 into cross multiplication, minus 3 divided by 4, 3 cancel, is equal to plus 5. Therefore a is equal to plus 5. We get first value. Again put x is equal to, we want to coefficient of a is 0, put x is equal to only 1. Then we get 8 into bracket 1 minus 4 is equal to a into 1 minus 1 plus b into 3 into 1 plus 1, that is 0, plus 4b, 8 minus 4, 4 is equal to 4b, that is b is equal to 1. Now we get value of a and b. Now most important part, to find the value of a and b, then we get the solution. Now first write the given equation. I2 is equal to integration of a divided by now first bracket is 3x plus 1 plus b divided by x minus 1 dx. Now this I2 is converted into in this form. By using this value, the left hand side is given integral I2, not given example, and its right hand side is this way. But we find value of a and b, substitute this a and b and take it separate integration. A is equal to 5 3x plus 1 dx plus b is equal to 1 divided by x minus 1 dx. Is equal to 5 into integration of 1 divided by 3x plus 1 dx plus integration of 1 divided by x minus 1 dx. Now 5 into 1 divided by linear equation. 1 by integration of 1 by x is log of x. Then log of 3x plus 1. But coefficient of x is 3, divide 3, this answer. Plus log of x minus 1. That is 5 by 3 log of 3x plus 1 plus log of x minus 1 plus c2 plus c2. We find I2, second part of the integration. Now we can modify this also. Log of 3x plus 1, its power is 5 by 3, law of indices, plus sign, therefore take its product, x minus 1 plus c2. So write equation second. The I is equal to I1 plus I2. Now I1 is calculated already first. Here I1 is x square plus 3x plus c1 plus I2 is log of 3x plus 1 raised to 5 by 3 into x minus 1 plus c2. Lastly, x square plus 3x plus, now in text last answer is in this form, not modified, but I take modified answer. Log of 3x plus 1 raised to 5 by 3 into x minus 1 plus c1 plus c2 is integral constant c, which is the final answer of the given this example. Now the process is lengthy, but not complicated to find the integration, because in integration only two parts. One is integration of x raised to n, this part I1, and second part is 1 divided by linear equation, that means take log of this logarithmic integrations. 1 by x, integration of 1 by x is log of x. In place of x, here a linear equation as like 3x plus 1 or x minus 1. In this way we solve two types example. The remaining examples are solved the next period in this article. Okay, thanks.